Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my K2 Daewoo rifle. Here it is. And guys, please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. So first, you need a square sheet of paper like this, and you want to start out with a boat base. So first I'm going to fold a water bomb base, then sink the top of it. So first you want to fold it in half like this. Then you want to fold it in half again like so. And then you want to open up this pocket right here and you want to fold that down. Like so. Then you want to flip it around and you want to do the same thing on this side now. So you want to open up this pocket right there. Then you want to fold that down like so. Okay, and now you want to bring this point right here right up to the edge, following this center crease line, of course. So make sure it lines up and make a good crease right here. Okay, because you're going to be sinking this triangle inside. So make sure it's well folded. And now you want to unfold that. Then you want to open up that whole area right here. And you see that smaller square in the middle? So you're going to fold all the side crease line right here. So fold down on all the crease line. Okay. Then you're going to fold down on the center. So you see all the crease line, that X right there. You want to fold the center down, okay? Like so, and fold it right up like this. Okay. So make sure the edge is facing up. So the longer side should be on top and the bottom side, the shorter side should be on the bottom. Okay. And now, you see this back flap right here. So this top one right here, you want to fold this triangle inside, okay? So you want to pre-crease it like so. Then you want to open up this pocket right here. Okay, then fold this inside. Okay, so this is gonna be the rear sight. Okay, and now you want to fold this whole thing in half. Make sure it's like this, and you want to fold that right in half. Okay, and now you want to fold the front portion right here in half and stop right where the center crease line is, okay? So fold all that in half and make a good crease, okay? And unfold. Okay. Then you want to fold this bottom piece to the back side. Okay. Then you want to fold that same piece down like so. Okay. And now you want to fold this back piece and you want to sink it inside, okay? So you see that crease line right here in the middle? And there should be one in the back too. You want to open up this part right here. And you want to fold up the side crease line right up to this V crease line right here. As you can see. Then right where that V is, you want to fold right across where the side crease line is, okay? And fold it back right onto the model. Then fold that center portion of it inside, okay? Like so. And now if you turn to the back side right here, you see this corner right there. So if you look right on the side like this, the shoulder side, see that corner right there? Fold it right up to this corner right here, okay? Where the bottom of the gun is, okay? This corner. So fold that right where that is, right where the bottom of the gun is, okay? Then fold this in. And if you look in the front, you see this this corner right here. You want to fold this corner right down. Like so. Make a crease right here. Unfold it. Then open up this pocket right here and fold this whole thing up. Like so. And now you see this smaller piece right here. You want to fold that right up to the back of this magazine, okay? So you just have to like eyeball it and see where the back of that magazine is, okay? Somewhere around here. So don't go all the way to the middle, but stop where that back of the magazine is, okay? So somewhere around there. So you see it lines up. And now you want to fold this front corner. So I guess you can pre-crease it if you like. Fold. Then fold up that front corner. Like so. And fold these two back corners inside as well. And fold up these two triangles. Tip of that triangle inside. Okay, then you see this side right here. Just pinch that in. Okay, this side as well. So it should look like that for the rear sight. And you see this triangle, you want to fold that triangle inside, so I'm going to pre-crease it, but leave just a little bit of that edge up, just not all the way up to this corner, but just leave a little bit right there. Okay, then fold in this triangle inside, okay? So open up this pocket there and fold this triangle inside. Then you're going to zigzag fold right where that rear side is. Like so. And fold a little bit of that top edge to the back. Just a little bit of that. But on the bottom side, you're gonna try to fold more than the top side, okay? Maybe like double. Okay, then hold right around here. Then open a little bit of that back edge out, okay, to shape out the stock. So it should look something like that. Okay, all the way to that corner. Okay, and now flip to the back side, and you see this corner right here. Fold that right up to the magazine right here, okay? There, make a good crease right here. Put your nail into it. Then unfold. Then you want to zigzag fold right here. So leave a little space right there and fold this back. Okay, you see? Then fold this back forward. Okay, like so. And then fold this whole thing in half. So fold the bottom edge up. Then you see where we folded before, that crease line? Zigzag fold right there. So fold this back. Then fold it back forward. So. And you see this bottom corner. So if you look in the front side, this bottom corner is kind of a weird fold, but you're going to fold this back and kind of hide it in the back side, okay? And press it hard. Okay, like so. And then you see this corner right there, this front bottom corner, fold that right up to the hand guard right here, okay? Like so. And then you want to fold the front portion in half. Okay, fold that whole thing in half. And make sure right here is kind of squared up. So kind of press on it. You can maybe fold this up a little bit as well. And fold it back down. And now we're going to fold the bottom barrel. Bottom of that barrel. So fold that whole bottom edge up. Okay, and there's going to be a little twist right there. You just have to fold that down. Just squish it down best you can. Okay. And now we're going to zigzag fold right where the magazine is. Okay, so fold this. So from the top, open this pocket and fold it back. Then get a pinch of that top and fold it back forward. Okay, to make the curve of the magazine. So here's my K2 Daewoo rifle. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.